Hey, this is Han.
And this is Kit.
And this is...
The Chocolate Break.
Yes. 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 Yes.
Episode 2.
Yeah, this is the second episode of our series about things. So, last we were talking about the DNA test.
And you not being Asian.
I'm not Asian.
At all.
At all. Not in the slightest. Anyways.
Or Mexican.
Can we stop? I wanted to be Mexican at least.
Well, you're honorary Mexican.
Thank you. Anyways. So, I got contacted by somebody that was on there named Yosef. And I'm like, who is this guy? And he asked me a couple questions. He's like, you're legally blind? You should talk to my dad. I'm like, okay. Then I looked at his profile on it. And then it's weird because DNA has to do with, what do you call them? They measure it in segments and centimorgans. So I'm like, I don't know what this is. But it says that guy is either my grandfather or my nephew or something like that. And I'm like, what? Oh, okay, I don't know. That's weird. And yeah, so I ended up talking to his dad. And his dad was under the impression that I was his brother. And we'll keep going on the next episode. Ooh! Bring forth your Israeli chocolate. What's that?
I don't know.
Pazexman?
Pazexman Classic.
Sure. Pazek the Z-Man. Pazek the Z-Man.
Milk chocolate bar filled with wafer and hazelnut cream.
Hazelnut. Is that one? What does that mean? This is a candy bar with wafer, chocolate, and hazelnut.
Oh.
You must rock the blade. Wondrous, wondrous execution of the slice. Is there something on it? It's just...
It's a little design on the top.
It's very melty.
Mm-hmm.
Cheers.
Very rich.
Oh, yeah. That's like Nutella.
Mm-hmm.
One thin wafer and a little bit of enrobing chocolate.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'll give that a 4. That's yummy. Definitely yummy. Definitely yummy.
That's yummy.
All right. Now, I bring forward...
Oh.
Click! La hit! It's a crispy bar filled with... What does it say?
Nougat.
Nougat and...
Coated with milk chocolate.
Well, let's make this happen. You know, I like a good nougat. Known as a person who enjoys nougat. My social circles, people call me the nougat guy.
The nougat guy? Nougat guy?
Yeah. You didn't know that?
I had no idea.
Well, you haven't been frequenting the social circles.
Why would that be a shock? I don't do social circles.
Yeah. All right.
Anyone who knows me knows that I don't do social circles.
You don't like people.
I don't like people.
Oh, deleted that. You may have that piece. All right. Cheers. What are your thoughts on that?
Reminds me more of something that should be a cookie, almost, than like a candy bar. I think Mother's cookies used to make a cookie that was pretty similar to that. Kind of like that light, flaky kind of inside and covered in chocolate. I think they were called like Flaky Flakes or something like that. What?
I find it hard to believe there was a product brought to market called Flaky Flakes. But I believe it. No, it makes me think of like an attic and lots of spider webs, lots of dust. May I? May I?
Yeah, eat your spider webs and dust.
Dishes put on a table and all set up, just super nice, that nobody's coming. Nobody's coming to that house. They've been there for months, if not years. They're dusty. I don't know. Thought-provoking. 4.25 out of 5 stars. Score?
3.
All right.
All right.
Until next time.
Until next time.
May you find strange imagery in your chocolate. Right.